Take out the controller and first, remove the anti-theft device. Remove the brake lever cable. Remove the throttle cable. Remove the lighting cable group. Remove the pedal assist cable. Loosen the screws on the box. Press the box down, pull out the power cord and motor wire, and then you can take out the controller. Replace the new controller and pass the power cord and motor wire through the top of the box first. First, connect the motor wire. There's an arrow on the motor wire. When connecting, insert the two wire arrows. Correspondingly, fix it, and then fix it with a tie. Connect the cable of the anti-theft device. Connect the brake lever cable. Yellow-black connects red-black. Connect the pedal assist cable. Blue-black-red connects blue-yellow-red. Connect the throttle cable. There are 3 plugs on a main line. Green, red, and black are connected correspondingly. Yellow-green is connected with blue-brown. Orange-red is connected with yellow-white. Connect the lighting cable group, red, orange, and black to yellow, red and black. After the connection is complete, plug in the power supply. Start the vehicle and test whether all functions are normal.